Hi friends, it's Stephy and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look for you guys today. It's going to be kind of a summery look and I'm going to be using this palette and I'm going to be using this little individual pressed powder thing, eyeshadow thing. So yeah, let's just get started with that. So I already have my eyebrows done. As you guys can see, they're looking pretty good. So the first color in this palette I'm going to be using is called Naked, and it's this orange color right here. And that's going to be our transition color. So that's going to go like right here. Okay, so now that they're both slightly tinted with that orangey color, I am now going to use the color called BFF in the same palette. So it's this purpley magenta color. And I'm going to put that all over here, but not all the way up here, so just like down here. So you can still see some of the orange. So now that you have the purplish magenta color on, and you're gonna blend a little bit the purple and the orange together. So I'm using this, not really the perfect blending brush, but I really like how it feels and looks. So already it's looking slightly better. So the next thing I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using this Milani, come on, focus. Well, it's a Milani pressed powder eyeshadow and it's in the color Bella Teal, number 21. So I'm going to use this flat brush so I could put it on my eyes. I'm going to spray my brush with, you know, what do you call it, this setting spray, just so it could be a little wet when you put it on. And now I'm going to use the flat brush and what I got on my mirror. I'm going to use the flat brush to put it on. So right here, oh, that's much better. And if you didn't know, this is a shimmer eyeshadow. So the orange and the purple that I used earlier are mattes, and then this blue one is a shimmer. Look how pretty that is though. I'm gonna be adding a little bit more of the magenta color. And I'm only adding a little bit more only because I have hooded eyes, and it seems like whenever I open my eyes you can't really see the pinkish magenta color well, so I'm kind of spreading it a little bit more higher on my eyelid just so when I open my eyes you could actually see the purple or the magenta, whatever color you call this. And then I'm going to blend that out again, especially on this side. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of Nakey again, because we're kind of losing some of that orange. Also wanted to let you guys know that there is a blue color in the palette. If you have this palette, you can use that blue too. But I wanted to use the Milani one. Hold on, let me open it. Like, the blues are really different. Well, maybe not in the monitor, but to me they're different. And also, okay, this one, the one in the palette, you probably can't tell. In real life though, it looks more like a greener blue. And this one's more like a blue and it's more shimmery. And also, like, I'm gonna be honest with you, the blue in this palette is kind of crumbly, so it might not look good. And if obviously if you use this color, you might have to use a setting spray. But I like this blue better for this eye look, so that's why I use that one instead. So now I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes and put on mascara. You could put eyeliner if you want, but for me, I think this look is good without eyeliner. And especially if since I don't have that much. And also, like, I don't know about anyone else, but I have trouble putting on eyeliner over like a very heavy shimmer eyeshadow like this one or any ColourPop shadows because they're kind of thick. And the eyeliner I have is a felt tip, not like a liquid one. So, fuck. So yeah, I don't have the luxury at the moment for eyeliner. You can't even tell my mascara mistake, but whew. So I'm gonna put on the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Okay, so I've got the basic foundation powder contour on. So now I'm gonna zoom back into my eyes because there's one more thing that we have to do. So the next thing that I'm gonna be doing with my eyes is I'm gonna take the color Nakey again. I'm gonna use a smudgy brush and I'm gonna put that under my eyelid. I fucked up there, but it's okay. I'm not smudging it all the way to the inner corner of my eye. I'm just doing it on the outer corner towards the middle, because that's how I like to do my makeup. Okay, so now I'm going to take the color BFF, which is the magenta color, and put it underneath the eye as well, on top of the color Nikki. So now I'm just going to take a flat brush to kind of blend that out a little bit. So I'm going to be taking this brush and kind of like blending it out a little bit. So now I'm going to take this color called Fine in a different palette. This palette I'm using is called Real Horror 1 Shadow Palette, and it's Be Your Own Kind of Beauty. I think it's the first one, that's what it says, so I'm going to be using Fine. It's like a champagne-ish color, and I'm going to use this tiny angled brush, and I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my lower eyelid. Okay, so the eye look is done, and I'm just going to put some highlight. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder from the Goth-o-graphic collection. It's called the White Raven one. And I'm just going to put some of that all over my cheeks. If you can even see it. Could you even see that? You could kind of see it. Well, not on camera, but like in real life you could see it. The last thing I'm going to be putting to complete this look is the lipstick. So I'm going to be using this Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the color Loved. And this is one of my favorites. This has been one of my favorite lipsticks recently. And here is a completed look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been wanting to do another makeup tutorial for a while. I actually made this, I did this look, and I was wearing it in another video, but I really liked it because like I was just playing with colors, and I was like, hey, this is nice, so I wanted to do it. And I think it's a really nice look. You could definitely put eyeliner if you want. And you can put eyelashes if you want as well. I just choose not to because at the moment I'm just gonna go out to have fun, and I don't want to have eyelashes and like, you know, because I'm not gonna put contacts on. So and also, like, again, I mentioned in the video before that I use a felt tip eyeliner, not a liquid eyeliner, and since I'm using a very heavy shimmery eyeshadow, it would like not really go on that good. So I just didn't put eyeshadow. But this is a nice summery look. If you guys want to try it out, please let me know. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you are going to do this look, or what do you think about this look. Do you like it? Do you think I did a good job? If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.